let's walk. Let's walk. That's not much of a walk, young man. Easy. Easy. Nope. Good boy. Gale, whoa. Whoa. Good boy. That's, you stand. Walk on. Good boy, Gale. Somebody's banging on the round pin. Let's walk. Walk. Oh. Will James just discovered he has a little sister. Gale, trot. Trot. Good boy. Nope. Trot. Good boy. That's a nice... Let's go for a working trot. Working trot. That's right. That's a very nice trot. Yes, it's a good boy. Good boy. Come around. Gale, come around. Come right. Come right. That's right. Good boy. No. Let's trot. Trot. I know you didn't get out to buck and play this morning. Get over it. That's a good boy. That's a nice working trot. No. Trot. Gale, come around, come left. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Let's trot. Good boy. On the rail. It is close to 80 degrees. This horse thinks that's an awful lot of heat for this kind of coat he's wearing. He's right. It's a very good boy. Gale, come around, come right. Come right. Nice and easy. Walk. Walk. Good boy. He was starting to develop the spin around and take off. So we got rid of that by changing gaits instead. Walk on. What a good boy. Gale, working trot. Nice working trot, nice and steady. Good boy. Nice and steady. Good boy. Gale, whoa. Using pooping to my advantage. Gale, walk on. Good boy. Very nice. Walk on. That's a good boy. Gale, trot. Working trot. Look how smart you are. Nice and steady. There you go. He's not far from dragging a tire, but I sure don't want to do it on this kind of a windy day. All right, Gale, let's learn something new. Walk. Now I'm going to start working my way over behind you. What am I doing back here, huh? It's all okay. It really is. Now I'm going to ask you to come across the arena. Can you come across? He's been wanting to be off the rail, off the rail, off the rail. And now that I want him off the rail, he doesn't want to go. That's normal. That's right, good boy. Good boy. Back to the rail. On the rail. That's right. And come, walk on. It's okay. I want you to come off the rail. That's right, good boy. Yes, look at you. Off the rail. Now come left. Come left. Left. That's right, good boy. Look how smart you, what did we just do, huh? That was new. Walk on. Thank you for giving me time to get behind you. Walk on. On the rail. Nope, not change direction, just on the rail. Yes, it's something new. Now I want you off the rail. Off the rail. That's right. It's okay. Now on the rail. That's a good boy. Walk on. Nope, I don't want you to change direction. I just want you on the rail. Now off the rail. That's right. And on the rail. On the rail. Back on the rail. That's a good boy. Look how smart you are. Okay, off the rail. Come off the rail. That's right. Yes, look at you. And on the rail. On the rail. Good boy. Look how smart you are. Okay, now I want you off the rail. We're going to come through the middle. Can you do that? Can you go across? That's right. Good boy. No. Something new. There you go. And come right. Come right. All this time you've been wanting to change directions. Now I want you to. Walk on. Good boy. Good boy. Learning, 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 learning. New things, new things, new things. Now I want you to come off the rail. Can you come off the rail? Come on. Come on. Good boy. That would be his little brothers playing in the feeder. Walk on. Come Off the rail. That's it. Good boy. Come left. Come left. That's right. Good boy. Walk on. Let's trot. Okay, we did a bunch of serious mental stuff. Thinking, thinking, thinking. Now it's time to just stretch legs a little bit. Relax. Learn new. It's a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Gale, come around. Come right. Come around. Good boy. Let's walk on. Gale, trot. Good boy. Let's go to a working trot. Nice and steady.